Mm-hmm.
But one of the things she told me was about a past life. That was it.
Ah.
And she said she just described all of the details of it without telling me any names. The
Mm-hmm.
woman was a painter at the turn, like she went through World War I and World War II. She used to sit up in the trees and paint the strife of the people at the time. She was married to a man in service of the people.
Mm.
So there were all these kinds of clues.
Mm-hmm.
And in my first reading, I left her apartment and walked around going, what does that even mean? Because she said, you're going to find your paintings.
Mm.
You're going to find out who you were and you're going to see your paintings.
Oh, okay.
And I, and for probably 6 years, I didn't think to like research it. I always thought, well, okay, if it's that going to be, then it'll just be there.
Right.
And one day I was at a party. I was dating this man. And I didn't know a soul at this party. And I was
Mm-hmm.
sitting by myself in the library. And the hostess came in and handed me a book and said, I think you'll like this book.
Mm.
And it was a woman named Katha Kollwitz,
Mm.
who was a German painter. And on the cover was a picture that looked exactly like a picture I'd drawn when I was like 15
Mm.
of maybe Keith Richards,
Mm-hmm.
with a shadowy pencil stuff.
Yeah.
And only it was she was doing a self-portrait, which was something I always did too.
Ah.
And that turned out to be her.
Oh, wow.
And even now I have all my she had very different styles. Like she
Mm-hmm.
had this kind of hard edge thing style and then this softer thing. And my drawings from that time, I have them on display next to the different ones like
Yeah.
she and so it's so fascinating. And I don't know how does that work?